Hi, this is Las Vegas, Cundinamarca, Colombia. It's amazing, but we need to learn how to use method chaining in Python. It is very easy. We start defining a variable, for example, language, the language variable, and we assign this string, the string Python. Great. We have a string variable. We can print that content in the terminal using the print function. Pass as argument the language variable and execute using the play button. And we have this content on the screen. Okay, now we are going to use the method chaining feature in Python. First, I will add a break line. We can print in the console the result of using the method that allow us to remove the blank space at the start and at the end of the string. For that we use the string method. It is very easy. We use the language variable and call string and execute. We get this representation. It is a string that doesn't have the space at the start and at the end of the content. Now, from the same print statement, we can call the upper method that allow us to convert that string to uppercase. So we use the dot operator and call upper and execute again this code. This is the final representation. Great. In this statement we have two string representations. First, the representation that is produced by calling the string method, and from that result we call the upper method. That two methods are part of the XTR object in the Python programming language. Great.